Hey everybody, it's been a real long time since we seen each other, but yeah, let me try something. I'm gonna try a few more things so you can take a look myself. Yeah, I'm changed the setup a little bit so it looks way better right now, and I wanna make sure everything is working in the right way, right? I wanna, change themes and everything, so it's gonna take a minute. Change themes and everything. Yeah, like the first thing is working perfectly fine, and this is the second one. We're gonna create some kind of requirements for Google Maps app, so give me a few minutes as well. We're gonna create some kind of requirements for Google Maps. Yeah, this is have real like low latency, by the way. I just wanna take a look whether yeah, everything is working like really good, by the way, which is kind of exciting, even though I don't have like really good internet connection. So like this is kind of a good thing. Yeah, I thought it's gonna be a little bit longer, so let's get started. Yeah, as you probably saw that, yeah, let's make this a little bit like that, because probably I'm talking kind of out loud. So we will see, because this is gonna be kind of experiment stream, and also we're gonna do something useful for all of us. We're going to create Google Maps game. It's gonna be kind of RTS game. It's gonna be strategy game, and we're gonna use Google Maps. It's kind of I've got this idea for a long time ago, but I haven't implemented. I haven't even created a proof of concept or something. Yeah, this is the time I'm finally started. Probably I started everything over. Yeah, this is kind of exciting idea. Yeah, I'm increased the bitrate a little bit just to make the video quality a little bit better. I hope everything gonna be fine and my computer is not gonna be overloaded. So it's of course it's loaded a little bit, but it's not overloaded, so it's good. Yeah, by the way, I'm using computer right now, not laptop, because laptop is not powerful enough to endure everything I'm doing for it. Yeah, this is not that powerful, even though it's like not that low end, but this is like low end MacBook. It's like 2014 MacBook Pro. It's not like the best one or something. Yeah, we have 55 drop rate frames. It's not bad. They not increasing, so we can get started. So I want to tell you once again that yeah, that we're going to create a Google Maps game. I probably can do something like that. Like we're going to create a Google Maps game, and the purpose of this game is just you have some kind of initial amount of money, and you can spend them to buy your land, and your land gonna get like money. Gonna get your money from you can get money from this land, right? This is kind of really simple concept, but I want to make it like expand this concept. First of all, I'm make some kind of MVP, some kind of game, and yeah, I want to expand this concept. First, the only source of money you're gonna have is land, and the more land you have, the more money you're getting, and the more army you can get, like the bigger army you can get. This is kind of the point. The more land, the more army, and the person that has like the person who can manage their finances properly can win. This is the thing. Like everybody gonna have the same amount of money. Like they're gonna be always equal. They're gonna be kind of equal in their rights and their opportunities. But this is all about how you're gonna use these opportunities. This is kind of really philosophical one, something from self-help or self-development, and you know the drill probably. Yeah, this is kind of the point of the game. Just you have amount of money, some initial amount of money, and you can buy a land, you can buy warriors, or you can buy more land. This is the thing. And you should you have competitors and you're gonna fight them, and the person who like makes somebody bankrupt or just, you know, occupy somebody's land and gonna win. This is kind of the purpose of the game. It's gonna be multiplayer. Yeah, I wanna make it multiplayer. I don't think it's gonna be really hard to make it possible. Yeah, this is kind of it. It's gonna be super simple, but today we're going to make some kind of proof of concept, make some things, like, try things. I mean, I'm gonna try Google API a little bit, and also I'm gonna try Google Maps API, sorry. And also gonna try to use React Google API, because we're gonna use React for this kind of purpose, so probably a lot of people really knows it, and it has really powerful, like, state management API. Yeah, right. State management API, and we're gonna use it for our purpose. And it's really easy to use this kind of package. So I'm gonna show it in a few minutes. Yeah, like to follow me, like to understand everything I'm saying, you should know just basic of JavaScript, basic of React, and of course, the most important thing is desire to learn. So I'm gonna learn with you. I'm not like hesitate. I'm not I'm not hesitate that I'm learning, right? I'm not hesitant. And so sometimes I am, but I'm not hesitant. So we're gonna get started. I think right now, this is kind of the best time to start this right now. So let's get started. Let's create some kind of requirement first of all, and then we can get started with some kind of proof of concept. We're gonna try a lot of different things from React, Google Maps, React library, and yeah, just want to make sure this is kind of less like frustrating to integrate all of the stuff in React. This is kind of the point, so let's get started. So I'm probably gonna change the theme. It's not a really good idea that you're gonna look at me. You probably want to look at code or something else. So let's do this something like that. Probably didn't hear me properly because I was looking at the camera, but probably sound was going into this mic. I don't really know. As I previously said, this is kind of an experiment stream, but anyway, it's gonna be good because I've kind of tuned everything in the right way. So yeah, let's switch the theme. Yeah, and I hope you're gonna like this kind of light and camera, because yeah, it's kind of have its own vibe, and we're gonna create our own vibe together. Yeah, let's create some kind of requirement. The first thing it should have, like, user should able to, user has initial amount of money. Yeah, let's try to write everything down, because it's kind of really hard to keep everything in your head. Yeah, user has initial amount of money, and user can buy land. For instance, let's make some kind of mock values, and let's have like 1K. User can buy land like I don't really know. This is gonna be some kind of example, like it's gonna be dollars, like $1 per square kilometer. I don't know, per square kilometer. No, it's like, I don't know, $100. Yeah, you don't like this, right? You never like it. Per square kilometer, user can buy a land. Can buy like army. Let's call it an army. I think, not like a buy an army. It's gonna be better to hire or enroll army. User can enroll army. If a user, not a user, let's call it a player. Because I'm kind of from UI and UX world, I'm not from game development, so I'm call everybody user, because player is a user as well, but it's a little bit more correct when you call a player, because this is a player. It's user, but it's a little bit more kind of, usual thing. It's a little bit easier to understand for game developers and for people who are playing the game, that like the person who is playing the game is a player, right? It's kind of so, and you can enroll an army if you have land, enough land or land. This is kind of it. And player has initial amount of money. Yeah, let's make everything, for instance. And player can enroll army if he has land. And also, let's try to remind something, because I really forgot about everything, right? Let me think. Of course, you'll be multiplayer. And yeah, like the other things are like a player can occupy. Let's call it occupy. I don't want to call it like a destroy. By the way, if the sound of the keyboard is annoying, sorry, I can mitigate the sound like the noise. But I know it's kind of enjoying the sound, like really enjoying this kind of mechanical keyboard, which is amazing one, you know. This is really amazing. It feels good. Even though I'm mostly working on a MacBook, it's amazing to use. And let's, yeah, player can occupy others, other players land, and if a user is a player doesn't have land, she is defeated. Come on, I forget the word. And like, you can defeat, yeah, this one. Perfect. And he is defeated. If a player doesn't have land, he is defeated. The last player who has land is a winner. Let's call him a winner, or like Lord land whole. No, it's bullshit. Let's call him a winner. So let's move something here. It's a little bit better, right? It's a little bit more convenient for me. Yeah, oh, yeah, come on, my neck is a little bit, it feels really good right now. And yep, it's kind of it. Like the player has initial amount of money. It's, for instance, for example, it's gonna be 100k, like I mean $1,000, and player can buy land. Land, for instance, is gonna be like $100 per square kilometer. It's good. Like we can adjust the price later, and player can enroll army, and player can occupy other players' land. The last player who has land is a winner. Let's add one more thing. And like a player can attack another player and occupy their lands. We're not gonna have a lot of details so far, because it doesn't make a lot of sense to have a lot of details, but this is kind of our, let's call it, requirements. Google Maps came up, strategy came, let's call it strategy came, requirements, come on. Yeah, it's kind of it. I already have some kind of example because I've been playing around, you know. This is kind of our server. So I'm gonna tell you about it for in 5 minutes, or probably right now. This is the best time. Yeah, this is like 2K monitor. It's 27 inches. Yeah, it's a little bit easier to see for you and for me, so I can check everything out to make sure. Yeah, you see this perfectly, I think. If you now, like, I can change it. Because right now there are not a lot of people here. I mean, nobody. But this is not a big deal, to be honest. Because we have a little bit different goal. But if somebody gonna join, it could be really helpful. Because, like, it can be not helpful. And probably can be helpful as well. Because, like, the more people can learn. And the more I can learn. Right? This is kind of about how we can exchange our knowledge and other stuff. So this is what I have. Let me tell you what's going on here. And I'm just like a rendering. This is our React application, as I told you, and it uses React Google Maps API, right? And yeah, and that's it. Like the only thing it uses is just React Google Maps API. It has like a lot of components, and I'm just rendering the map, and I'm rendering all the polygons I have, and I'm kind of like mock them just to have them have some kind of polygons unlocked. This is kind of good thing. We can play around with this. So this is kind of an imitation of real servers, because we're gonna get information from real server, or probably I'm thinking about to make like a peer-to-peer server, because I feel like it's gonna be a really good idea. Like every person gonna have a server, and I don't need to host anything. Yeah, this is kind of good idea, but I need to think a little bit about it. So this is kind of it. Yeah, like here we have this load script next. Like this thing loads Google Maps script. I mean, this thing renders. It takes like API key. It takes libs prop, and it says like what kind of libraries from Google API we should use. Like added drawing. There are a lot of like a geometry and other stuff, but we don't need them for now. The only thing we need is just drawing. So like I added a drawing, right? I don't need anything else. So and it renders Google Map, just some kind of settings. Like you should know about that for now, because like if you really want, you can tackle the documentation. Like I think it's a kind of really descriptive here. It's really easy to understand what's going on here. This is the center of the camera, this is the zoom, this is just tiles for map container, this is kind of callbacks that calls on when the map is loaded, right? And here we have a drawing manager. This is, probably you can see my, I don't know whether you can see my cursor or not. Let me, no, probably you cannot see my cursor. It's a bad thing, by the way, but we're gonna fix it later. Probably you can see here, I mean, on the map, it's like, yeah, it's left top corner of the screen, and we have some kind of tools, some kind of toolbar, and we can draw something using this toolbar. You can draw anything, and it's gonna be saved on a map, right? And yeah, this is kind of the purpose of the polygon. It serves to create some kind of shapes. I'd call them shapes. Yeah, and I'm rendering them right now. Right here. You can render all of them. Yeah, this is kind of the purpose of the app. Just I've been trying to make everything working before the stream, because I'm just appreciate your time if you're gonna watch it, and I appreciate my time and my efforts, because right now it's way more easier to do something because we have like something that is working. Yeah, this is kind of it. And let's try to go step by step and do some stuff. So, like everybody has a land. Every single player has a land, right? And every single player should able to like buy a land, right? Every single one of them. Let's make something simple. Like, you know, let's import something from React, or no, we shouldn't import anything. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of state here, but then I'm gonna make everything using user reducer, because like we're gonna have like a really complicated state. Not a complicated one, but not that simple. So let's create a kind of a storage where we're gonna save our money, or that balance is gonna be better, like user balance. Yeah, let's user balance is a little bit better, and let's make a setter function. It's gonna be called like user balance, and it's gonna be like state. By the way, probably we're using type create, but right now it's like it's not a big deal whether we use it or not. This is what we were doing. We're trying to make the proof of concept. Yeah, here we're gonna save our money. Let's make them 1,000. Yeah, it's gonna be reloaded every single time. And yeah, this is where our money gonna be saved. And another thing is how are we gonna calculate like the area? Because yeah, I've kind of took a look at everything, and I've been trying to do that. Yeah, I can show you probably, right? And yeah, let's reload this one. And I don't remember, to be honest. I don't remember anything. By the way, we're using Microsoft Edge. It's working good, so I'm using this. Let's use this one. Because, yeah, this is built on the top of Chromium. Like, this is why everything is working in a good way. So, I don't remember, to be honest. Like, this is what, like, a Google something, Google Maps, and something, something, something. So, let's do something like that. Have to calculate the polygon area in Google Maps. Because I don't really remember. I've been looking for it. Yeah, this one, exactly this one. It just like, it takes some kind of polygon path and it calculates area in square meters. Yeah, this is what it's doing. This is the thing. Yeah, we have tapes for this namespace. And this is what we're gonna have. The polygon here, right? Everything is gonna be good. Okay, we have polygon here. We're getting polygon here. Let's create some kind of, yeah, let's try to do something good from the first place. Let's create some kind of helper folder, because if you're gonna have like a mass, it's not gonna be good. Yeah, let's make an index file. It's not gonna be GS, let's make it TypeScript, just to make it easier to work with this one. So let's like calculate, or let's not calculate, let's get something simple. Cat like polygon area, right? And this is kind of it, and in 4 kilometers. Yeah, let's go like that, in 4 kilometers. It's gonna be long, but it's gonna be easy to understand. Yep, this is how it's working. It's working perfectly. Yeah, it's not a long one, you know. And get pass. No, it's get polygon area in square kilometers. Good. So this one, let's copy this one, and we're gonna paste it here. Yeah, it's gonna be a really, really simple function. This is what we have. Square meters. And this is what we're gonna take. We're gonna take polygon. I don't remember the type, because I need the type. This is the class, and we need type, right? Let me think, because it gives us something, right? And this is gonna be here, and a rectangle. Yeah, rectangle probably. Google Maps polygon, right? Yeah, this is what we exactly need. This is gonna be polygon, and we're getting polygon type from here. And like TypeScript is not gonna yell at us. And we can put the same thing here. And yeah, I forgot to tell you that this stream is gonna be, I think, 2 hours, or like, I mean, how it will go. Because it's kind of satisfying code some stuff in the evening. So, and especially when somebody can learn something from this stream, it's gonna be just perfect. Yeah, this is what is path here. Okay, it's not a big deal. Let's put polygon here. Compute area, get path. Or I know it's only for path. No, it's not only for this one. Polygon, get. Yeah, let's remove this one, because probably this is not only polygon specific. What it takes like paths. Yeah, let's make it a little bit better, I think. It takes paths. What does it take? Come on, it takes a lot of stuff. Radius. Yeah, let's make it polygon specific. Guess it's gonna be way easier. And we have square meters. How can I square meters? I have to make square meters to square kilometers. I kind of now how to do that, but I want to make sure because we need to have everything. Good. Yeah, this one. Exactly. This is what we need. And this is the meters. Oh, come on, it's gonna be a really long number. And this is what we need. We have this, turn this, and everything gonna be fine, right? Perfect. So let's check it out. Let's check it out and make sure how it's working. We have a polygon. We're getting polygon from our callback, right? And let's put something here. Have we exported this one? Yep, we have. And let's do what we really need to do. Let's call the cat something polygon, right? Polygon, right? And let's put polygon here. Let's open it. Should I open it somewhere, right? Okay, let's try create polygon. And this is what it is actually. I don't know whether it's correct one. I'm living in a desk, so I know what the area of this. It's not for this our boots. So I want to check it out. Yep, exactly. This is working as we need. So we can check area of anything, by the way. Yeah. You can like take a look the area of something of I don't know of this thing. Let me take a look at this one. It's gonna be oh, come on, it's not that accurate, but yeah, let's make it like that. Come on. This is so small. Okay. This is working. This is working perfectly fine, so user can buy a land and right the cost of land. Let's have constants, but these are, by the way, you can see my Google API key because I'm restricted like other API other than me, so you can take a look at it, you can use it, but this is not going to work. This is going to be forbidden. Default initial amount of money. No, something really short. Initial player's money. Yeah, this is good. And yeah, let's create a you know cost per price. Let's price per kilometer. And this is gonna be 100, right? And let's use this here. Is it gonna be, I really forgot about it, you know. This is gonna be player something, player, yeah, perfect. I like this auto completion, auto suggestion because it's working perfectly fine all the time. I don't know, whether it's working or not, because it seemed like it's streaming. Yep, it's streaming because it like it's stuck. It seemed like it's stuck. Yeah, let's proceed. We have an additional amount of money and we can buy land. Alright? We can buy it. But we need to show our money somehow. Let's create something. I don't know what we need. Let's go to Google Maps. And let's... Yeah, this thing that's gonna be hard to do things here. I cannot find it yet. This is one. I need something kind of overview, or I don't know. I don't know what we need. I mean, I don't really know what we need, to be honest. What Google Maps API key? I don't want to put my API key here, but I need But it's gonna be forbidden because I'm changed some settings. It's not a good thing. Okay, it's not a big deal. We need something like info window or info something. Cluster component. What the purpose of this one? Average center, something something. Info box. Why don't we have some kind of description or something? So I'm gonna make it like temporary variable. No, this is like only for APIs. So I need to get rid of restrictions right now, or I can add restrictions right after the stream. Yeah, let's make it done. Yep, Yep, because everything is on laptops. I need to do everything from the laptop, so I can get rid of restrictions for now, because it's way easier to work with. So anyway, we don't have a lot of people here. I mean, we have nobody here, so it's not gonna be a big deal. So right now I can use it. I can use my API key, and everything's gonna work perfectly fine. Yeah, at least I hope. I have hope, and I believe that it's gonna work perfectly fine. Come on, where is that? Come on, where are you? Well, I'm just lost everything. Yeah, let's go back to this one. So, and let's go here, and let's paste everything, and we will able to see demos of every single component we need. Yeah, this is how it's working. And I need info box. Where's that info box, right? This is not what I really need. Come on, how to create UI in Google Maps. I need some kind of overlay. No, probably this can help me. Data overview. No, this is not this one. Info box. Cluster, what is that? I don't know what is that. Direction. I think I can make it on the top of the... Yeah, this is a good idea. It's kind of more flexible, I think. Yeah, I can make it on the top of map. Okay, let's make it on. Let's install some kind of style component or something. Yes. Or it's no, let's use style components. This is gonna be way easier. Okay, install everything. I'm good with that. And let's create some kind of components that's gonna be used for... I know what the purpose of this component is gonna be. Yeah, it's gonna render kind of bar. Some kind of bar. Yeah, let's create a folder, directory, sorry, and it's gonna be called like info bar, something, right? It's gonna be bar, it doesn't matter. Let's create this component for now. It's gonna take... Yeah, it's gonna be fairly simple. It's gonna have some kind of interface, info bar, props, and it's gonna have money or user balance. It's way better. It's not gonna be a string, it could be a number, and we're gonna use FC functional component type from React. We can paste it here. Now let's create some kind of div. It's gonna be kind of a wrapper. It's gonna be kind of rectangle. I think white one, just to make everything consistent. And yeah, we're gonna put our money here. So I don't need anything here for now. So the only thing that I have is money. I don't have army or something. Yep, almost there, Yeah, it's not... This is the first time I'm... Like, not the first time, but I'm not coding on this laptop a lot. I mean, on the desktop. So it's a little bit harder, I think. And yeah, okay, no problem. If you won't have it, you have it. Yeah, this is kind of it, and let's create a... But we can create styles. It's not gonna be a big deal. Or let's name component a little bit differently. Let's make it like info bar, because kebab case, it looks good. Or info bar styles. Yeah, it looks way better. Now let's create some kind of info bar wrapper, and let's use styled from style components, and we're gonna import style components, utility function. Yeah, probably need to import. I hope it has it. Style components, right? Or it's not working. Style components. It should work, by the way, but it's not. Okay, let's reload everything. Cause like it's a little bit weird. Yeah, let's check. Okay, let's reload it. Cause it doesn't have latency almost at all, which is a good thing. We need to install types manually. Because I saw like style component has its own types, I mean built-in types, but it doesn't have them. So it's not a big deal. So we're gonna make some kind of UI here. And we have it, and let's put some kind of info bar wrapper here. We have everything. Yeah. And we need to like make it like position absolute to make it on the top of can I install some kind of plugin here or something? No, I can't. Workspace snippet, workspace settings. No, I can't. Probably I can, but it like costs me something. Okay, I'm gonna think about it later because I don't want to dwell on not that important things now. So it's gonna be position absolute, and let's make it like visible somehow. Like it can be. It seems like I have firework behind me. I probably have. Probably I don't have firework, but I hear. If I hear it, this is what I mean. And check something. Yeah, exactly. You're right. But we're not gonna care about it for now. We can satellites. It looks not good. It's not visible. And yeah, let's make it, and background is gonna be white. White. Okay. Left and right. And let's open this one here. And I need to find it somehow. Because I didn't see anything here. Wow. This is like a circle. It seemed like an asteroid was here. Because it's too perfect. This interesting place. I want to occupy this. Really. Come on, I want to. No, come on. I'm not using this laptop. I really forget about everything. So let's open more tools. Open something. Developer tools. Yeah, what is combination here? Developer tools. Control Shift I. Yeah, this is all the same. Okay. Let's reload the page. And we need to find our element somehow. Okay, right. This one. Yeah, we need to render this one, right? Yeah, I can see this until it's rendered. Come on, this is too obvious. It's too obvious. I know whether I should render here or not. Yeah, it's on the map. Let's render there. We'll see because I'm not sure. Info bar, whatever, not infinity. Info bar. Oh, come on. Infinity car is perfect, especially G35. This is a really powerful one. But we're not talking about cars. And this is kind of initial or user balance, right? And you have. I'm just missing keyboards because I'm not looking at them. Never. Sometimes, yeah, it takes some time to get used to it. Come on. And yeah, it should work. Yep, exactly. Perfect. Let's make it a little bit bigger. I mean, way bigger. Too big. And make it not that big. Can I take a look at this one? It's 25. Right, it's gonna be 25. It's okay. No, it's 20. So let's make it like a... I don't know. I don't want to care about architecture stuff. 'Cause this is not important right now, you know. For that. Yep, I'm broke something. I mean, I can... Can I... Can I, like, scale this one? Come on. Why should I care about it? Like, I just want to make it visible, right? It's what I need. This is visible. It looks perfect. And we can take a look at this. Yeah, this is gonna be 5. We have 5. Perfect. And let's make something like text align center. Just to make it look good. And then we can do something else. And let's add a dollar just to see that this is a dollar. Yeah, let's put it here. It's a dollars, right? And when we trying to buy something, by the way, do we have some kind of dialogue or something? Dialogue or info. By the way, this is a good thing, like an info window. I didn't see this info. I see this. It's gonna be shown when I'm trying to buy something I can buy. Or yeah, it's good, by the way. I wanna take a look at this. I mean, at the code. And you're... Oh, it's perfect. We don't need to write anything on our own. And the cost of this is gonna be... Okay. I really forgot the name of the constant. And price per kilometer. This is how much square kilometers we can buy, right? This is like area. This is gonna be our price, right? We need to multiply this, not area, to this. And price per square kilometer, right? It's perfect, it's just perfect. And let's try to think about price. I'm just interested. Just, to feel something about how it's gonna work. You can buy this one. Oh, come on, it's gonna cost a lot of money. Let's math. Not yeah. Let's fix this to fix to, because like it's not like gonna be accurate. It's just a game. Yeah, this is kind of a lot. Oh, I'm just thinking, how much money would this cost? I don't know. It's kind of interesting thing. Yeah, it's gonna be like 1K and something. Yeah, let's... Oh, come on. Yeah, I think come on, 1K and something. Yeah, I always centered in a little bit different place, so let's scale it once again. And this forced. It's not a forced. These are roots. Forced is something big. We don't have forced in Odessa. Oh, come on, it's perfectly what I thought about it. And we are having like 45-minute streams. Good. This is what I can't buy, by the way. I can't buy it. I can't buy only the piece of it. Come on, I lost my slippers. Come on, this is the pity when you lost your slippers. I found second one. So let's proceed. Sorry for distractions. But sometimes I need to be distracted for something, which is not bad, by the way. And yeah. So I want to buy something small. Right, I can buy it, right? And I'm gonna set my money. Set user balance. It's gonna be current user balance. It's gonna be equal to current user balance minus price. And let's try to do something. I'm not able to sell it. I mean, bought it. Oh, it's gonna be just minus. Yeah, we're gonna handle it, of course. Let me buy something small. I wanna take a look how much land I can buy. Can I buy this lake? I mean, I really want to buy it. At least piece of it. I'm going to buy the piece of the... Oh, it's not that expensive. And by the way, it should be fixed. And it should be fixed here, I think. And to fixed, and it's gonna be 2. Right. Good. So let's find a lake or something square, like, yeah, it's not square. It's not square. Come on, so many lakes. I thought they are still a bit. Oh, this is Cat Lake. So many lakes. This is Canada. Come on, man. Like, what do you wanted to see? I want to buy. Come on, it doesn't matter. I want to buy the piece of it, like up. And if this is too small, I think. This is kind of big. And I can buy this. No, of course I can't. Okay, I got it. We're going to have an info box. And let's check how info box is working. Come on, if you don't have a lot of money, I like to have some kind of info box. I like to do something like, I don't know. Yeah, let's use this info box to show that you don't have enough money. It's probably kind of good idea. Or but it's not a polygon. Okay, I'm just thinking how to make it right. And it's not that hard to make it right, but I'm just thinking how to make it right. Come on, this is so big area. And yeah, probably info. Let's try this info box because I don't really know how to use it. Position is gonna be this one. So okay, let's put an info box. This is gonna be info box. We're gonna put info box here. We're gonna have position. It's gonna be position. I wanna check out how it's working. And it's gonna be, and yeah, I need to import info box. Info windows, sorry. Yeah, I want to import it from this package, and I think everything's gonna be fine. Yeah, expect of this thing. By the way, this keyboard has echo thing. When you click on a button, change its color on a key, not a button. Oh, what can I add here? Like oh, this is perfect. By the way, this is good. By the way. So I'm gonna, you know, take a look at the polygon or something. I mean, I really want to take a look at like, polygon. Yeah, let's take a look at some kind of functions we can use, like this thing. Yeah, let's take a look what kind of API we can use from this. I think it's gonna be a good API. So I'm just looking at this. Come on, calculate. No, it doesn't make sense. it makes sense to do something like that. Yep, exactly. I'm thinking how to get the center of the polygon. Oh, it's an interesting thing how to get the center of polygon in Google Maps. It's kind of interesting thing. Because I'm kind of lazy to think about math and stuff. Bounds, extend. These are bounds. Yeah, I think this one is better, even though this probably is a good one, but this is probably how it's supposed to be used, using like Google API stuff. Yeah, this is kind of the goal of today's stream, just to make able user buy a land and have some kind of warnings that the user cannot buy land. Yeah, this is what we're gonna implement today. Something really small, but this is how we make progress, like step by step. Yeah, position is not gonna be good here. Yeah, and we need to create a helper function. It's gonna be called get polygon center. But first of all, I'm gonna take a look at the polygon, how it looked like. Okay. Yeah, let's take a look at the polygons. And yeah, I already have it. Okay. I want to create a polygon. It's gonna be a really small one. Not a small one, but this is what I want to get. Can I make it like? Yeah, this is like the same API that Google Chrome has. And get pass. Yeah, all of them. And oh no, it's not working that way. Let's try to get array, right? And this is the... Come on, I want to get this fucking array. What do you want from me? This is array. Right? How I've done that? Get pass, get array, maybe get pass. It's working better. Yeah, this is how I've done that. M1. So we're getting arrays here. And it takes exactly. This is exactly what it takes. Okay. We need to make it in this way. Okay, it's not a big deal. We can make it. Yeah, we can map everything, I think. Yeah, we can. So we need to create this polygon chord. But first of all, we need to create bonds. Let's create bonds. Let's create bonds. Here we have bonds. What is this thing? Come on, I don't like this name that Google has. Whether they kind of I forget this. Obfuscate, yeah. Whether they obfuscate it or something. Yeah, they are, because it's not really understandable for people who are not really kind of get familiar with this thing. So let's make this kind of polygon working, because we need to create a polygon, right? But this is gonna be as an example. Then we're gonna put everything together, so it's not a big deal. And let's create a kind of a polygon chords. And yeah, let's map everything. And it's gonna be path or Quartz is better. Quartz, and we're gonna make it like that. And yeah, exactly. And we're going to put latitude and longitude in as argument to this constructor. Yeah, this is constructor. Quartz, so let's longitude, right? We have latitude and longitude. We're gonna put here, but what the first one? I don't know what the first one, come on. I really hope that this is latitude. Okay, we'll see. And this is like a we don't have it. Why we don't have it? Temp1. It's not a function. It's not a function. Great. Let's create some kind of path. And this is gonna be this is what we need. And this is what we have. And we're gonna put this temp. Come on, I know that this is it. Why are you so distracting? And polygon chords. We have polygon chords here. I think it doesn't make sense. I think we're getting the same thing from get path. Isn't it the same? Get array, right? It's kind of the same thing. We're getting the same. Come on, this is the same thing. Yeah, the same. So we don't need to create it. Come on, I'm just a little bit confused. But let's try to think what we have. We have chords. What we need? What do we need? Okay, we have polygon chords. Polygon chords. Come on. You have them. And we can do this. Extend something. So I don't know where they're gonna extend, but we're gonna do something. Yeah, we have something. Because I'm just trying this API. And we have longitude and latitude. Yeah, let's use them somehow. And latitude. Yep. I just want to make sure. And latitude, or sorry, it's longitude. So we have this one. Yeah, it's gonna be here. I mean, this kind of info box, info window. Sorry. A lot of money. It's not a lot of money, by the way, because like a lot of money is not this kind of price. 120. It's priced for so much land. Yeah, let's put something like that. Yep, perfect. Oh, it's working. I'm really happy about that. And what do we need? We need to create a function that's gonna calculate the center of the polygon. Get polygon center. Quartz, right? And we have a polygon, and we're going to have something. Come on, I'm just lost everything. But it's not a big deal, you know? This is not a big deal. This code is helpful. Yeah, we're just gonna copy paste helpful code. This is how it's working. You just know how it's working and you're trying to copy and paste everything. And everything gonna be fine, right? Everybody hopes so that everything gonna be fine. Yeah, we need to create this kind of bounds. It's gonna be Polygon. Probably the name of the folder is not good. But we're gonna make this name possible, once again possible. And we have Polygon. And we need to calculate Polygon squared. I don't remember, let's like Polygon done squared. It's not polygons, it's one polygon. So we're gonna get coordinates from Polygon, get pass, I guess. Yeah, this is pass, and we need to get an array of these things. And yeah, we have Polygon path, right? And we need to change the variable names. Good. And we have found here, and I'm gonna return everything. Okay. It's gonna be latitude and longitude, which is perfect. Come on, man, this is perfect. Almost there. Longitude. No, everything good. And we can export it. I think it's gonna work. At least it was working before. So let's create some kind of info box. Info boxes. That info boxes. These are info boxes, or these are info windows. I'm gonna call them info boxes. Okay, use state, and I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna have anything, and let's put info boxes length. Come on, it doesn't matter. And we're gonna render info boxes. And box. This is kind of info box. Info box has its own coordinates, like box coordinate quartz. We can call it it's for sale. It's for sale. Come on. And yep, we can render everything, right? We can do everything we need. This should work. And let's set the info boxes. It's gonna be almost the same as this thing. So many state changes. And set the poly info boxes. Info boxes. Like boxes. Boxes, and we're gonna put our info box here. This is gonna be info box, like new info box. And we're gonna call it. Well, we're not gonna call anybody. We need to like calculate info box. I mean, we need to have center of the polygon, right? Come on. I'm thinking about info boxes all the time. Come on, it doesn't make a lot of sense. Info box. Quartz. Because this is not info box. This is info box is quartz. I don't know. I've done some shit. I'm not really sure that it's gonna work properly, but I really hope that it's gonna work properly. So let's try without even testing and making sure this is gonna work. Because I'm not sure that this is gonna work. Yep. I've done something wrong. Not a leading or not a number. What? What are you talking about? Because I don't know what they want from me. I'm trying to create an info box. I mean, not a number. It's a number. Come on. This is the thing, that this is a number. And it should work. Set position on a latitude and for related, not a number. I think I know where the problem is. Somewhere here. Oh, this is a number, right? This is a number. I don't have a doubt in my mind that this is a number. But it said this is not a number. I don't understand where it's breaking. Let's make something really, really slow. And set position is not. I don't understand you, man. Like, you're talking some shit. And set position. Not longitude or. Okay. But what the difference? Okay. Okay, let's check out whether it's working. I mean, this one. Yep. Or probably. I don't understand what a problem. Probably something with this one. Let's try not to render anything. Right? We can skip it as it is. Because it seemed like there's something wrong with something else. Yeah, this is the wrong thing here. We have position. And it takes box squirts. But we need to make sure. Oh, yeah. Exactly. Yeah, I'm done wrong thing. It's good. It's okay, like, we can be wrong sometimes. But you should notice this. Like, this is a good thing. Yeah, let's try to put this here. It's perfect. You know, you can put something that's gonna be for sale. It's good. Let's make something. Like, you can buy it. You don't have enough money. Something like that. You don't have enough money to buy it. To buy the land. And if it's okay. Okay, let's call it balance after buying. And if this thing, then we need to create an info box. And it's gonna return. It's gonna return the current balance. What's wrong? Yeah, and or it's gonna return something. Balance after buying. Okay. So, of course we're gonna have keys, but I think I'm gonna add stream in 10 minutes, I think, because we kind of done everything. I can buy this thing, and I can buy this land. You don't have enough money to buy the land. And I want to click on this thing, and it's gonna be like, you know, hidden or something. Yeah, this is what I want to have. Set polygons. Okay, I'm doing some shit. I'll try to do this and then I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm doing some shit. So we need to delete this somehow. How can I delete it if it's already created? Right? It's already drawn here. So I cannot create, I cannot change something here. I don't want to have it. I want to get rid of this one, right? How to delete polygon? Like, how to delete polygon from Google Map? Because I think it's possible. At least I really hope it's possible. And remove polygons. Oh yeah, we have some kind of API. Okay, if it's completed, I can delete it, right? Okay, let's try to go into, oh come on, we didn't, can I add some kind of like React dev tools? Because it's like a Google, it's based, I mean Edge is based on Chromium. Probably it's gonna be a good idea to use the power of Chromium. Come on, it's working, right? Come on, just let's try everything. Let's refresh the page. But I don't have anything here, right? Let me think. It should work anyway. Application or security performance. Extensions or something. They're gonna be somewhere here. Browser tab. No, I wanna have extension, right? Okay, let's remove it. Add and oh yeah, this is installed because it wasn't. And I don't have. Okay, why I don't have it? Yes, production build before deployment. I wanna use dev tools, okay? Probably it's not possible, but I really want to. Like, come on, I want to use the dev tools. Stack Blitz, React, dev tools. I think this is not only my problem. Okay, I don't want to do this for now. I can make it before the next stream. It's gonna take a little bit less time. So we have a mass. It's not that mass, by the way. We have some functions here. It's not that mass. And right now I think about to try to get rid of something. Get rid of polygons. I can console log it, right? And I can try to get some of them. But no, this is not gonna work. How to get polygon? Yeah, this is why we need to save them somewhere. Yeah, this is why I need to save them somewhere. This is the thing. They should be transformed somehow. Okay. Okay then. Let me think. Because probably it's not the best idea to save them as just simple things. We need to save them a little bit different way. And map over everything. Okay, this is for now. This is kind of the best time because it's not that hard. I don't know how to create a new polygon. Okay. I don't know. Probably I can use this to create a new polygon or something. Can I? Like new polygon. Okay, probably I can. And options. This is gonna be path. Yeah, I have path here. Okay. It's probably been better. I mean, it's way better. Come on, I have so many things. And they're kind of identical. Okay. It's probably kind of good idea because we will be able to manipulate with everything. And we have polygon here, right? These are not good ones, by the way. So I'm going to get, because the only thing I'm gonna get from servers, these are gonna be like these raw data. They're not gonna be instances of some kind of classes. But this is why I should make it. And create a polygon, right? I need to pass passes and that's it. This is not a big deal, by the way. And I can return like new polygons map, something, right? It's gonna be just a new like object, polygon instance, sorry. Pass, and let's create a something like that. I'm not sure whether it's gonna work, but it takes options, like a pass, and I can make it like that. I'm not sure whether it's gonna work, But I really hope that it's gonna work properly and perfectly fine. Maybe it's gonna work even without changes. Really? Is it gonna work without changes? It shouldn't. I mean, it shouldn't. So if I'm gonna map everything, I mean, like a path. I'm just interested whether it's gonna be rendered or not. In theory, it should be rendered, but nobody really knows. Probably gonna crash, or it's not working. It's just not working, you know. Okay, it's not a big deal, or it is big deal. Okay, probably it's not a big deal. So we have polygon path. And we need to make everything a little bit different. So to render new things, yeah, let's make it a little bit convenient. So how are we gonna make everything? We're gonna get data from things. These are supposed to be polygons, right? Let's make it like initial polygons. Initial polygons. And we're gonna have them here. So let's take a look because it's a little bit more convenient. Yeah. Anyway, this is the thing we need to finish today. Because I have like a lot of energy to finish this thing, so let's finish this thing. These are just fake data. We're gonna put them here. Good. Good. Really good. Let's create a function that's gonna transform like paths to polygons, right? Like transform path polygons. Where polygons to path. Polygons. And like path. Polygon. I don't really remember everything, but I do remember something. So this is how we can get our polygons, right? I really hope. Okay, okay, let's do something. And we're gonna return polygons chords. And what can I do? I don't really remember. Come on. I don't remember what I wanted to do. I'm just forgot about everything. Yeah, this is why I'm gonna finish it to in 20 minutes. I mean, I'm gonna finish it as soon as done because I wanna done it today. Right now, right here. I wanna make sure what we're getting from polygon, from this kind of polygon object, right? Let's console log polygon, and I'm gonna take a look at everything it's getting. Okay. Let's create a polygon here. It's gonna be good idea. Come on, good. Not an array. I don't care. I try and forget it. Okay, or I can fix it right now. So it's mapping. Okay. Anyway, it's gonna be some kind of array of something. Okay, this is gonna be created as an array of something. Let's go back. What a problem we have. We have problem. This problem is quite... Of course I didn't have enough money. Come on. Why you always reminding me of this? It's too low. I really forgot, like... It's a bit embarrassing. Yeah, this is what I meant. This is too low. Yeah, my English is not bad. It's probably good. I mean, it's good. I'm sure it's good. I need somebody's feedback whether my English is good or not. I know that it's good. I can talk, I can think, I can write, I can do everything. Anything in English, so this is not a big deal. So like I wanted to transform the polygons to pass object, to pass array, right? Okay. Have transform polygon to pass, and then I'm gonna go to this function, and okay, transform. I'm gonna use it here, and because it's gonna be way easier, less frustrating. And yep, let's try to do something. And we have polygon here. And what I'm doing, it returns self. Good, really good. So let's try to do something more perfect. So we have latitude, longitude. Okay, let's do this. Map. This are gonna be object, right? I don't know. Okay. Okay, it's a little bit simpler than I thought it's gonna be. I mean, this is way simpler. And we need just like a usual brackets. And this is gonna be latitude, and we're gonna have longitude and longitude. Okay, perfect. We have everything we need, and we can be happy. Even though we should be happy by default. This is what I mean. And yeah, this is what I can copy and paste here. Like, I mean, I can return it. Polygon cards. And it's kind of it, right? Yeah, these functions are quite useful, by the way. And I can get the path. This is how it's working. This is perfectly fine. I mean, this is perfect, you know? And I need to map over things, like transform polygons to something. I don't remember. And right now it should be rendered, or, I mean, I said we're already good, right? We shouldn't do that. I'm already doing that. So I'm transforming everything to polygons. To path, right? So we should have polygon here, right? Yeah, we should have like polygons objects here. This is what I mean. Just to be a little bit more consistent about everything. Or I don't know if it's. I'm just confused. Sorry. I'm just a little bit of. Yeah, it's just a little bit of things that I need to grasp. New polygons, path. Why should I do that? Like, I shouldn't do that. I don't need that because it's kind of should be created by default. So I need to put something. There's gonna be object of. Come on, I really want to check everything out. It's not gonna work. It's gonna work. So it's gonna be something like that. And I'm going to put polygon here. And it should work. It shouldn't. And now it's gonna work. And yeah, I can short everything by just removing everything. Come on, this is the only way to short everything. Just remove everything you see. A little bit math, but it's readable so far. So, and we transforming everything. I mean, we should have like everything by default. Okay, let's put this initial data. Come on. What's wrong? I want to create a new file, right? Mock, mocks, mocks. Perfect. And yeah, this is initial polygons, so we can do whatever I want to. So I can map everything here and transform to paths. Okay. These are going to be polygons. So we have some kind of control over them. Because if these are going to be just simple path objects, path arrays, we're not going to have a lot of like control over everything. So we need to have a lot of control over everything. Okay, let's import everything. Initial polygons. Everything is good. Good. It's not going to be rendered, right? Of course it's not going to be. What's run and where it's run? Transform polygon. Yeah, because we're not passing anything. I don't remember. Come on. I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking what I'm doing. I'm doing something wrong. We need passes, right? So it means that I don't need to do this here. I can place it simply as a polygon and it should work. I mean, and it should work if there's no anything else. It's just a right time. Okay, let's try this once again because I've done some shit before. Okay, we're rendering polygons. This is something with rendering. It renders polygons and it doesn't have get path, which is the error from getting from something like this. Transform polygons to paths. Yeah, just a little bit different thing. I can create a thing like a whiteboard set. Export transform paths to polygons. And it's gonna be like a new something. Google Polygon. Yeah, this is Google Polygon. This is what I mean. Perfect. Like simple thing, but it's gonna take some time. It's not gonna take any time just to integrate it. So it's gonna be it's not gonna be rendered yet. Google. It should work, by the way. This is the same, by the way. Should work perfectly. Give me. I don't know why something is working and something is not. I'm using everything here. Probably because this one is not available there. Even though it should be available, right? It's a little bit weird. Okay, let's try to do something like this. Why is not undefined? It should be defined. New Google Maps. We have path here. Okay, maybe without anything. You have the interesting thing. Everything was working before, but right now it's not working. This is weird, really weird. I'm trying to figure out why it's not working. Because nobody really knows why it's not working. Yeah, this is like the final point here, the final thing, the final touch we need to finish just to make everything working perfectly fine. And I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking how to make it properly. And I mean, I made it properly, but it says I don't have a Google. Let's try the console logs because I want to make sure we have Google. Okay, Google. Sorry for that. Like, yeah, let's try. Google is not undefined. Probably it's like a window, Google and something. It's undefined. You know, this is a little bit weird because it was working before and now it's undefined. This is what is weird. What actually saying this is not working because I need to do some kind of libraries to add more libraries. Okay, let's try to add more libraries because it shouldn't work. Come on, I can add everything. Okay, I'm not greedy. Come on. If I need, even though I don't need anything, I'm gonna add everything. Something is not working. Okay, maybe we don't need something. Maybe I'm just wrong. Even though we don't need anything, almost anything, I'm gonna use everything. Good. And right now I want to check out whether we have Google multiple times. It's undefined anyway. You know what is weird? This has something. It doesn't have anything. It was working before. You know what I think? It's not like this thing is not initialized one. We're calling this thing. I mean, Google is not. Google scripts are not initialized when I'm trying to use this thing. Yeah, this is obvious. That's we don't have anything, even though it should work. Okay, this is the problem. I need to take a look where we're using this. And yeah, exactly. And use something effect, I think. And let's try to console log Google here. Just, I don't know. Yeah, it will work because, you know, I need to get rid of Google somewhere here in constant, right? Come on, I'm just done something. Come on here. And yeah, let's make it simple. It returns null. And let's refresh everything. Google. I'm using Google somewhere, but it's not used. I mean, it's not created yet. Yeah, this is kind of an interesting thing, by the way. But this is the thing. We have nothing here by default. And by the way, we're not going to have anything by default. And use load or something. I need to use a load script. I just want to make sure this is loaded properly. So like, is loaded. How it's used. ID. Is this kind of important to have ID or something? Because I don't want to use this one. I'm kind of forced to use this. Okay, React and Google Maps thing. I just want to take a look how to use this. Use load script. How can I use this thing? I want to take a look at Google Maps. I already have it. I don't want to do anything. Use map or something. JS API loader. I just want to make sure everything is loaded, right? And use map or something. Yeah, let's try to use map. Because if we're gonna have map, everything's gonna be fine. I mean, if we have map, it's loaded, right? Console log. Oh yeah, by the way, it's a good idea. We have map. I mean map. Just map here. We have map and we don't have map. Like vice versa. We don't have map and we have map. So right now I can make something like set initial polygons, right? So this is kind of good idea. It's kind of a simple problem, but there are no simple problems because like it's everything is related. If it's simple, it doesn't mean that it's simple, you know. Transform to polygon, yeah. Everything's supposed to work past the polygons. And I want to make sure that we have polygons are right ones. Come on, what are you doing? Oh, yeah, exactly. If map is defined, should first do something, refresh, and this is weird. This is really weird. Because sometimes it's gonna be undefined, sometimes it's gonna be defined. I can show you. Because map is not defined every single time. Yeah, undefined. Okay, probably I don't need this. What is it gonna be if we're gonna create it here? Yeah, this is something with environment, which is not bad, but this is weird. Okay, and we have something to say. So not an array. Where exactly? This is kind of the last thing we need to do. And right now I need to do like vice versa. I need a lot of transformations. Okay, it's not a big deal. We can transform everything like map something. And I'm gonna transform polygons to paths. And everything is not working, by the way. It should work. Why is not working? This is weird, by the way. Because these are supposed to be yeah, exactly. Exactly. I'm gonna map through everything. Polygon. Transform polygon to path. This is exactly what I'm doing. A little bit weird. But should work, by the way. But it's not working. I know why. But it's not working. Even though everything is good. Let me think. Yes, I think everything is gonna be fine. But let me try to do something here. Because maybe this one is wrong. And this is the problem. No, there's no problems. Probably the only problem... No, there are no problems. Everything should work, like... Yep, there's problem. Like a wrong name. Which is not bad. We can fix it really fast. And yeah, just run property name. And it's working perfectly, just perfectly fine. Okay. I thought it's gonna work perfectly fine. And transform polygon to path. Just, I need to fix some stuff. And yeah, this is something with this one. When I'm trying to add something new. It should be polygon. when I'm adding polygon, it's polygon, right? And by theory, it should work, but it's not working. It said like it's not a polygon, like literally it's not a polygon. But why it's not a polygon? I forget what one. Yeah, this one is not a polygon, right? There are only two places where it's used. I don't want to make sure. I want to take a look why it's not a polygon. These are polygons. Yes, they are. Of course they are. But this one is... I'm just thinking. So this is the polygon. Why I'm putting this is... Come on, I just lost it. Yeah, this is probably the way I'm pushing the new element to an array. Yeah, I think it's gonna work. I'm sure. Perfect. Perfect. Right now we can kind of buy a land. I mean, kind of, because it's not like 100% thing that we can buy a land. So I'm really happy about what we've done today. I'm really happy about everything. But let's try out everything once again. Yeah, let's buy something in New Orleans. Good city, by the way, nearby the sea. A lot of lakes. A lot of lakes. I mean, the city consists from lakes. And every one of them has has its name. It's like a canal or something. Good, by the way. I like this street, but this is not what I need. Yeah, let's try to buy this. Bigmar. It sounds like from something from WWE. Bigmar. Yeah, something like that. I can buy it. Yeah. This is mine, right? I can buy this thing. I can buy it. But you don't have enough money to buy the land. And when I click on this one, it should be like, it should disappear. Yeah, this is the thing I forgot about. Yeah, I think it's not gonna be hard. I hope. It's not gonna be hard. Yeah, let's check everything out here. Like const polygons, right? Polygons. Yeah, we can use some of them. Like temp1. Like the first, by the way, there's a new API. Let's use it. It's like the same as this thing. Like you just point at some kind of index of an array, but you can point like a little bit more explicit way. It's kind of probably more readable. I don't know. We need to get used to this thing. I have set map. Like I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what happened. Like nothing happened. Probably I can do something else. Like nothing happened once again. Okay, I don't know how to delete this. Or polygon remove, because set map is not good. Okay, let's try set map. I mean, let's try to remove. Let's take a look at what we have. I want to remove everything, right? How can I do that? Come on, I just want to remove this thing. Visible. I'm just interested. Visible is false. Just trying to figure something else. Probably it's not applying. This is what I think. It's not applied. This is why it's like I'm changing some kind of other data Because probably they're not reactive or something. Okay, we can change it somehow. Okay, this is gonna be a box. Quartz, right? And yeah, we need to save everything. No, we shouldn't. We shouldn't. Okay, okay. I want to delete it somehow. So I need to go to this API thing and I need kind of on close click. Exactly. It's perfect. On close click. On close click. On close info window click. Come on, it's too long, but this is what we have. And let's try to like a polygon. Maybe this like we're gonna get polygon from this. Polygon. Why? It doesn't have anything. It's not a good thing, but okay. It's not a good thing, but I hope this is what we need. Do I have some kind of console log? Yeah, let's try to create it. But it's created anytime. I mean, it's created every single time. Because I didn't have enough money, right? This is obvious. So I can click close, close. Can I put some kind of ID or something? Because I want to put something. Okay. I'm just thinking. I'm thinking. Come on, it's not a big deal. This is what I need. Just put some kind of polygon from this. And yeah, we have some kind of polygons. New polygons. Okay, new polygons. New polygons. New polygons. Polygons. And like map. And I'm gonna set everything to now. I mean, I know whether it's gonna work. And I'm gonna set them. Set polygons. I'm not sure it's gonna work, but at least I hope. And hope is so close to home. Yeah, just kind of not a thing, not a good thing. Let's take a look why it's broken. Like, it shouldn't be broken, right? Polygon. I should do one thing. I should set it only if a map is full and polygons land is not a true. Probably this is a good idea. Yeah, really good one, but they are set to. I want to remove them somehow, come on. How can I remove them? If they cannot be removed. But I really want to remove them. This is not a good thing. Maybe these are rendered. These are wrong ones. Probably. I'm trying to figure out everything, and probably this is the best time to go for sleep. But I'm trying to figure out why it's not working. So let's take a look at the map. Yeah, let's try to do a little bit more polylines. Oh, yeah, this is. Overlay. Do we have that? I'm just interested whether we have overlay or not. Polygons. First one. Like overlay. Yeah, this is kind of important thing. But it's not undefined. But you know, this is like a polygon, right? Should work. Map. No. White snow. Visible. Okay, let's copy this one. And it's a little bit weird one. I don't know why, but this is weird. I'm closing everything. We have something. I mean, this is changed every single time, right? I'm not sure. Let me think about it. Polygons. Okay. No, I don't want to get rid of everything. I want to get rid of only one polygon. If I don't have enough money, I want to get rid of this polygon. Rate. Ability to remove polygon. It would be really helpful. Where is the polygon? I can create it, right? Oh, it's beautiful, by the way. I can remove. I mean, this can be on. This is kind of selected. Yeah, this is a good. Yeah, I wouldn't save it. Name select Google Maps. Polygon, right? It's gonna be a good idea. And okay, that's it. And I'm trying to find like remove. Come on, I want to read the code. It's that map. Yeah, exactly. Oh, good. This is what I want. I just wanted to get rid of this polygon. I'm just thinking. So I finished the drawing, right? This is kind of it's created. And okay. This is a little bit weird. Weird, really, really weird. So I want to get rid of every single polygon. I mean, I want to get rid of everything. The only thing I want to leave, I mean, I don't want to leave anything. I kind of want to clear. Oh. So. Okay. I can remove it just by not drawing anything. It makes sense, by the way. It makes kind of a lot of sense. Okay, it makes sense. Okay then, but how can I remove it? Does it have some kind of IDs or something? Because I'm not really sure whether it has some kind of IDs. Let me think. Maybe it has IDs. Maybe it doesn't have IDs. Yeah, probably it has some kind of IDs. Yes, it's a little bit like I want to control everything. I mean, I want to control my polygons. I guess I want to control them, right? So I want to take a look at the ID or something. Tam3 ID or ID something. Come on, I want to identify them somehow. This is what I really need. This is what is really important. But it says like I don't care about anything. Okay, you don't, but I do. I do care about things. So I can put some kind of IDs here. Box chords. Polygon. This is right one. Okay, I can put polygon together with this. Okay, I think it makes sense. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, let's put something like that. It's gonna be like an object, like position, right? And it's gonna be position and polygon. And what polygon? On polygon complete. Polygon, this one. So then it's gonna be polygon. This is gonna be position. Position is gonna be good thing. Position. And we're gonna put position here, and I'm gonna put polygon here as well, which makes a lot of sense. I mean, I'm in this kind of polygon. Yep, and it's gonna be kind of manually create function. Kind of usual thing in functional programming world. And we're gonna, okay. This is what we're gonna take, polygon. Does it have type here? No, it's any, but it's not a big deal. And, I don't know, it doesn't have anything. By the way, can I remove it somehow? I mean, I think I can. I can make like a null or not visible. Can I do that? I don't know, let's try it out because I'm not really sure about that. So let's polygons. Poly, because it's better. In this case, polygon, and this polygon is equal to this polygon. It's a little bit weird, but I don't want to create IDs, at least for now, because I want to end up the stream and just get a little bit of sleep, because it's gonna be a really good idea to get a little bit of sleep, because probably see that I'm a little bit more tired than I was before, but it's not a big deal, so I can make it like, let me take a look at this one. And temp1 set edible, set widthable holds. Oh. Ooh. Stop. I didn't got one thing. What happened? I mean, what was that? it was weird. Let's try it once again, because it was kind of good. That map visible, but it's gonna anyway. It's gonna be in our state, right? So yeah, it's gonna be in state. It's gonna be. It should be removed from state. So I can remove it from the map, but also I should remove it from the state. Yeah, I can filter everything. If this polygon is equal to this polygon, I need to do some like, I need to set it's a little bit different way, because I'm trying to make everything as pure as possible, but it's kind of good thing, so maybe I've done something wrong, but come on. My brain is not working good right now. But like, a little bit vice versa, yeah, they shouldn't be equal. And they shouldn't be equal, right? And I can click, but it doesn't disappear. I don't know why, but it doesn't disappear. I can copy this, because I need to get rid of this from overlay as well, right? This is gonna be a new polygon, but this is also a thing I need to get rid of. Like, it's like I removed it from the state, but I haven't removed it from the overlay. And perfect. This is perfect. So this is kind of it. But let's try to change names, or I don't want to change names, because my brain is a little bit exhausted. But this is what we have. This is what we can do. Like, if you have money for land, you can buy land. But if you don't have money, you can buy it. Okay. You can buy this land. You can buy even this one. By the way, we need to do this, but okay. I can fix it later. You cannot buy this land. Okay. Oh, it's kind of it. I'm really happy that we've done this. I can even turn right, because I'm a little bit kind of it's not tired, so I need a little bit relaxed. Just even though I've been sleeping a lot today, I have sleep a lot today, but this is kind of it. I'm really happy that I've done here. Probably it's a really good thing to do this kind of stream, because I feel this can be useful for somebody, because like a lot of people actually think that like programmers, they kind of professionals, they do everything for the first time. No, even like the best programmers can make errors, but they always have some kind of fundamental knowledges about things, and they can fix them fast. Like, I thought it kind of helps you personally. I haven't knew about things, but I can Google them really fast, like in a seconds, literally in a seconds. And this is kind of it. This is what I feel about things. So I can turn everything like that, because this is the end of the stream. So I don't know how you can see myself. It's gonna be experiment, because I'm really happy that we've done here everything we've done. And yeah, I don't know what the next goal is gonna be. The next goal is gonna be let me think. So we need to integrate something like, let's define the goal for the next stream. Like, the goal for the next stream is gonna be something, I don't know, we implemented that the user can buy land and it has an initial amount of money, can enroll army. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, we can add new kind of currency. Army is not a currency. Yeah, we can add army, and yeah, we can add army, and army can attack another user, right? So yeah, we're going to implement like army, and we will able to move this army. So I can take a look here, because so many cameras. So I can, like, we need to implement this thing. We need to implement army. I mean, just make it possible to buy an army, and also users should get some kind of money from the land he owns. And also, I want to implement like a moving our army. Just I want to say like army A go from this point to like another one, and this army can like occupy somebody's territory, but it's probably gonna be in like in the next stream. But this is what I want to implement in the next stream. So like, okay, let's put something here like what we want to implement. And this is what we have implemented, right? This is what we have implemented. This we implemented. Yeah. And also player can move with army. Can roll if she has land. Player can move with army. And player gets money from his land. This is also an important thing. And player gets money from the land he owns. Yeah, it's kind of it. I think it's a really good idea to make this thing working properly. Yeah, kind of good one. I really hope. I'm sure that we're gonna done that sooner or later. So it's kind of the end of the stream. I hope it was really useful, really kind of educational for you. And yeah, see you in the next one.